It's a blue runner. We're going to send him on down, see what happens. Actually, that looked like the Jack Crevalle. Send him down to Haremore. Yeah, let a little of that yellow out. Now wind down and lead it. There you go. Right there. There we go. Oh, let him eat it. That's probably him trying to get out the way. Oh, one just came up there. Oh, okay. We got a fish on here, folks. We got a fish on. It's a pretty good sized fish. Probably. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's a good sized fella. Yeah. This is incredible, dude. A little pressure to him now. I got you, brother. There we go. Oh, yeah. How's that for a lobe tail? Woo, brother. That's, yeah. Well, Mr. Sutton? That's not bad. That's a pretty good size one. That is now my biggest Goliath grouper to date. He's not too shabby. How big do you think he is? Blair, you're not going to believe me when I say this, but this is the puppy. Yeah. 60 pounds, 70 pounds? Yeah, he's 60, 70. That is absolutely incredible. That was from start to finish, no editing time in there at all. He whooped me. That was all Paul. And 400-pound test. We got 200-pound test leader as our main line, and 400-pound test actual leader. Look at that fish down there, you guys. Look at it. Oh, it's a monster. Oh, my goodness. Come on. Come on, baby. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Come on, you got it, baby. Come on, Nelson. Oh, my word. Good stuff, Cal. Oh, my word. I can take over from here if you want me to. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, chew on this, baby. Good stuff. Hey, you guys at home, stay tuned. I'm going to move the fish through the bridge, and we'll show you a better picture of it. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Hold on. His body. All right, you ready? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just watch your hand, man. I got it. Freaking grab it. Okay, you ready? Oh my goodness. Guys, welcome back. We were able to get this big, huge fish up on the boat. He's 80. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, shoot. You ain't going anywhere. We got you. We got you. We got you. Come on, come on, come on. There he goes. Nice one, baby. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, baby. I don't know. You might have got me with that first one. I say he's about 40 pounds. Maybe only 35. But he felt a lot bigger. No hate on him. How much he go? He's